Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to fix the can't sign up for DeepSeek chat problem. If you've been trying to create an account but keep running into issues, don't worry. I've got a few fixes that usually work. So yeah, let's dive right in. First, instead of filling out all your details manually, try logging in with Google. Just click on Log in with Google, choose your account, and DeepSeek will pull your info automatically. It skips the email verification code step, so this usually works without issues. If Google sign-in doesn't work, open your browser's incognito mode. On Chrome, click the three dots at the top right and select New Incognito Window. Then, go to chat.deepseek.com and try signing up again. This avoids cached data and conflicting extensions, which can sometimes block sign-up requests. Still stuck? No problem. Go back to your regular browser window, click the three dots again and open Settings. Then, on the left panel, select Privacy and Security and click on Clear Browsing Data. Choose the Advanced tab, set the time range to all time, and select Cookies, Cached Images, and Browsing History. Finally, click Clear Data and restart your browser. After clearing everything, head back to chat.deepseek.com and try signing up again, either manually or using Google Login. In most cases, one of these fixes solves the issue. And yeah, that's how you fix the DeepSeek chat sign up problem. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other DeepSeek tutorials linked below.